Welcome to CenturyClassroom. Today, we will discuss the differences between laminates and veneers that are applied on furniture as a decorative surface. What is the similarity between veneers and laminates? Both are used as decorative surface for furniture and are pasted on a base of wood or plywood or MDF. What are they made of? Laminates are made from special paper, while veneers are made from natural wood. How are they made? Laminates are produced by combining multiple layers of kraft paper impregnated with phenolic resin under high pressure and temperature. A layer of decorative paper with the desired design is placed on top of the kraft paper before pressing. The outermost layer is of tissue paper to give more durability and features like color fastness. Veneers are simply thin slices of natural wood from the log. The slices are called flitches. The flitches are then joined together seamlessly to produce standard sizes. The veneer sheets are then pressed on pre-glued substrates like plywood or MDF to create veneer panels. How about durability? High-pressure laminates are extremely durable and have properties like scuff resistance and abrasion resistance. Veneers need to be polished, which makes the surface durable and gives an added layer of protection. In case of any impact, veneers can be repolished. Let's talk variety. Laminates are available in various designs and finishes. CenturyLaminates has 1,000+ SKUs in its portfolio. They can be classified under a few broad heads. No two wood species are exactly alike. Therefore, veneer strips of varied or similar patterns are arranged in such a way that they form a variety of beautiful decorative patterns and effects. There are several ways to perform veneer matching. The most popular ones are book matching, slip matching, reverse slip matching, pleasing match, and random matching. Wood veneers can be treated with chemicals, smoke-dyed, or strain to get different looks. Let's talk about aesthetics. Laminates are highly functional and versatile in nature. They also add to the look and have a decorative appeal. Veneers impart an extraordinary premium look to the interiors and are available in matte, semi-gloss, and mirror finish. Where are they used? Laminates are used for furniture, kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, tabletops, office furniture, doors, etc. Veneers are used for wall paneling, executive chambers, doors, wardrobes, reception counter, and other furniture. How eco-friendly are they? They are eco-friendly and don't pose a threat to our environment. Both laminates and veneers are safe for us as they are non-toxic in nature. How about abrasion resistance? Laminates have a hard surface that is resistant to scuff and abrasion. Properly polished veneer sheets are also scuff and abrasion resistant. How easy are they to install? Laminates are easy to install and it does not require special skills or instruments. They can be installed on any existing surface. It requires special expertise, skills, instruments, and adhesives to install veneers. It is preferable to use a combination of laminates and veneers for your home and office interiors for the perfect mix of exquisite beauty and enhanced longevity. Thank you for watching.